In an earlier video, I talked about how we determine audit times, but how do we actually figure out how many days it's going to be when we talk about audit times? Well, if you had 5 staff seeking quality only, the minimum audit time that would be mandated that we spend with you in your initial certification year for ISO would be 2 days. Now, about a day and a half of that, more or less, has to be with you, and about a half a day of that is allowed for report writing. But take a bigger company, say a business with 15 staff who wants quality and safety. Maybe they want 2 standards. Something like that's going to be in the range of 4 days. That's based off one head office, a number of staff. We also do reductions in the staff, and that's why we usually ask for an organizational chart or a staff position listing, because by calculating those, we can determine if there's some way we can reduce those 15 full-time equivalents to, say, lower like 10 full-time equivalents. These are the kind of things we look for: number of staff, what you're doing, risk profile, how many sites, and this allows us to determine if it's going to be 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days. The majority of businesses with 20 staff or less would never have us visit more than 4 or 5 days in year 1. That's because of certain reductions we can apply. Hopefully this helps you to know how we figure out how many days we have to spend with you and why we ask a few details when we're on the phone about it.